Good morning, my lovely students in grade 3.
The school vision, to prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology.
رؤية المدرسة، إعداد فتيات متعلمات مبدعات قادرات على بناء مجتمع واع متحضر محافظة على أخلاقه وقيمه ومستخدمة للتكنولوجيا الحديثة.
The value is the importance of knowledge and science. Our lesson today is Module 6, clil. Open your student's book, page 77. What day is it today? Today is Thursday. What is the date today? It is the 14th of January 2021. What day was it yesterday? It was Wednesday. Today we will learn to ask about weather around the world.
It's some time. Why do we have different time zones?
'Cause we have different watches.
Nah. Our Earth rotates on its own axis. Due to this rotation, different parts of the Earth receive different amounts of sunlight, thus causing morning, noon, evening, and night. Now, if we had one time zone, then 12 p.m. would be noon at some places, but it would be night or evening at other places, which would be inconvenient. Hence, scientists made different time zones according to the Earth's rotation with respect to the Sun.
But how?
The Earth makes one full 360-degree rotation in 24 hours. This means in 1 hour, the Earth moves by 15 degrees. Using this information, scientists divided the planet into 24 sections or time zones. Each section or region was about 15 degrees wide and had a specific standard time. This helped us know the proper time of the day in that part of the Earth.
Hold on, guys. Can you guess the title of my next video? Hurry up! Write your guess in the comment section below.
Objectives of our lesson today is to identify the meaning of 4 new words through pictures and context correctly. Predict the main idea through the text and pictures. Locate details after the reading text. Compare the weather and time between two countries correctly.
In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. At night. Module 6, clil, Geography. 1. Vocabulary. In the morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. At night.
Read and complete. Use the words in the box. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. I always get up early in the... Perfect. I always get up early in the morning. Now please stop the video. Write these sentences in your notebook and write the answers, and then come back to check your answers. Now let's check our answers. Read and complete. Morning, evening, night, afternoon. I always get up early in the morning. Number 2. We have lunch in the afternoon. He always watches TV at 6 p.m. in the evening. It is always dark at night. If you have any mistakes, please correct them. Now look at the picture and write the missing word. In the Write the missing word, please, and then come back to check your answer. Look at the picture and write the missing word. In the morning. In the morning. Now look at the picture and write the missing word. In the afternoon. In the afternoon. Look at the picture and write the missing word. In the evening. In the evening. And write the missing word. Look at the picture and write the missing word. Now look at activity 2. What can you see? Excellent. It's a map of 5 countries. You can identify each country by its flag. Vancouver, Canada, London, England, Doha, Qatar, Mexico City, Mexico, Muscat, Oman.
Module 6. CLIL. Geography. 2. Look at the pictures below, listen and answer, what do you think the text is about? Read and answer, what's the weather like in London?
Tick-tock around the world. It's Monday today in Vancouver. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. But in London, it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. What's the time in other places? What's the weather like? 1. Vancouver, Canada. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. It's snowing and it's cold. 2. Mexico City, Mexico. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's windy. 3. London, England. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It's raining. 4. Muscat, Oman. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's sunny and hot. 5. Doha, Qatar. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's cloudy.
What is the text mainly about? It is about the weather and the time in different countries. Now, my lovely students, get your notebooks, read again and answer the following questions. What is the time in Mexico City, Mexico? What is the weather like in Mexico City? What is the time in Vancouver, Canada? Please write your answers in your notebooks and then stop the video and come back to check your answers. Read carefully and answer the questions. What is the time in Mexico City, Mexico? It's 6 o'clock in the morning. What is the weather like in Mexico City? Perfect. It's windy. What is the time in Vancouver, Canada? It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Write these questions in your notebooks and write the answers. Is it morning in Muscat, Oman? Is it night in Doha, Qatar? What is the time in London? What is the weather like in London? Write the answers in your notebox and then come back to check your answers. Is it morning in Muscat, Oman? No, it isn't. It's afternoon. Is it night in Doha, Qatar? No, it isn't. It's afternoon. What is the time in London? It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. What is the weather like in London? It's raining. Now bring your notebooks, write these questions and write the answers. What is the time in Canada? What is the weather like in Oman? What is the time in Qatar? And what is the weather like in Mexico? Write the answers in your notebooks. Doha, Qatar. It is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's cloudy. What is the time in Qatar? It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. What is the weather like? It is cloudy. London, England. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. It's raining. What is the time in London? It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And what is the weather like? It's raining. Vancouver, Canada. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. It's snowing and it's cold. What is the time in Canada? It's 4 o'clock in the morning. What is the weather like? Excellent, it's raining. And what is the time? Perfect, it's 7 o'clock p.m. What is the weather like? Perfect, it's sunny. And what is the time? It's 9:30. Now you can ask and answer. What is the time in Vancouver? It's 4 o'clock in the morning. What is the weather like? It's snowing and it's cold. We can do the same with the other countries. Now, what is the weather like in El Wakra? Perfect, it's cloudy. What time is it now? Excellent. It's 9:15. In the evening. And now look at Rayyan. What is the weather like in Rayyan? Excellent, it's sunny. And what is the time in Rayyan? It's 11:15 a.m. in the morning. Thank you and goodbye, my lovely students. Study well.